Here we go, joining the autobahn. Blimey. Woof. That was 200 kilometers an hour, like that. Let's open it up again, let's go. Christ, 250. Hey. This is where you're going to need your carbon ceramic brakes, because there's always someone just pulling in front of you in a Skoda not so rapide. Wow, 300 kilometers an hour. Woo! That's 196 miles an hour, almost 200, and it's just the speed at which it gets to that. It's nuts. I want to do over 200 miles an hour. Whoa! Oh! Don't pull out. Don't trust him. It's a Renault Capture. Yeah, you can't trust those kind of Renault Captures, not the kind of speeds we're doing in this thing. Woo! The way it takes off. Wow. Here we go. Off. It just gets a